Hi everyone, welcome to Odie's Kitchen Diary, where I cook healthy homemade meals. I have for my ingredients here, I have frozen plantains, which I'm going to broil or roast in my oven until it's brown. For other ingredients, I have chopped tomatoes, I have chopped onions, mixed vegetables, some lentils which have been soaking for about an hour. I also have a couple of mixed dry spices. I have some coconut oil which I'm going to heat up and then fry my onions. Fry until it is transparent or caramelized. Next, I'm going to add my chopped tomatoes and I'll fry until most of the water evaporates. And then I'm going to add my other spices. I have brown onions, ginger, seasoning cube, and some thyme. I also added some salt. Taste and make sure everything is okay, and then I'll add my soaked lentils. It's best to soak it overnight, but I didn't have time for that. I just had to cook the way I had it. Stir, mix, and cover to cook until the lentils are done. And now I'm checking on my plantains. They are all done. See how golden brown they look. And I'm just gonna wait until they're cool to add into my lentils whenever they are done. Adding my mixed vegetables, stir and let it cook for about 5 minutes. It looks so yummy already. It's time to add my plantains, and once you add, you stir, let it cook for maybe another 5 minutes, just so everything can mix well together. And you're all done. Dinner is ready. Tastes so good. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment below if you have any questions. Thank you. Thanks for watching.